So what do you think is analytics for that? What is it is one of the easiest tools, and if you go inside this, you will see an overview page, and inside that you will have shortcuts, report shortcuts. Um, if you're frequently working on reports, you can
I I cannot see anything on your screen.
wait.
So
I've,
yeah,
Easy for people for me.
wait, once again I've shared. Huh? Let me know. Can you see now?
yes.
Can you see? So this is Analytics Builder and one of the easiest tools, no problem. And when you are frequently preparing the reports, uh, you can use it. You will see overview section, report shortcuts, and all those details here. So whenever you are frequently preparing a report, you can easily create a shortcut for that report. You can add the shortcuts here. And right now you can see we have four shortcuts available here. And if you go down, it is all the reports that have been shared or they're scheduled, and they will, so these reports will be generated on their own and they will be sent to their recipients. They are scheduled that way, right? Right? Scheduled that way. So that
Mm.
means every time you don't have to go manually and trigger them, right? You have to just create it and schedule it like any other.
Where, where is the schedule option?
Yeah, it will be there once you create it.
Uh,
Okay, wait. So you see, this is one of the existing reports that I'm entered into, right? So here, let us see what they're trying to do. So they have as a report source, which will be anything, which can be anything, like data extension or a journey, or there are multiple report categories. It can be related to email, it can be related to mobile connect. Reports can be related to mobile push, they can be related to cloud pages, they can be related to journey builder. So if you go back, we'll talk about schedule. If you see this section, right? See this. It is highlighting you the uh, type of reports that you can generate. Correct? So it is nothing but all the work that you have been doing. And so in emails, if you go inside emails, there can be further segregation. You can send email performance reports, you can send email send summary, and you can send reports on email tracking, open rate, click rate, bounce rate, unsubscribes, and there are there can be reports related to Einstein as well nowadays. And so uh, the reason is, why do you think we need this? So business pushes for these kind of reports, and so that they can track performance of campaigns, they can optimize the future sends, right? And they can monitor the deliverability of uh, their campaigns or messages. They can see, right, how many are unsubscribed, how many are subscribed, right?
Yeah.
So, and yeah, mainly for tracking and optimization purposes, right? So, okay. Now on the left hand side, you see there are a lot of options: owner, business value, channel, tools, report type, features, date modified, and date created. So all these, they are just the parameters and filters, you can say. You can filter according to your own use case, right? For example, you need reports to do journey builder. Definitely, you will be selecting this channel. You will not select everything, right? Makes sense, right? So it all these so there are a lot of options here, and whatever you need, you have to select accordingly. All depends on your use case. And use case is just an instruction from the management or manager. So if he or she says that, okay, I need reports related to journey builder. Okay, you go inside this, you create a new, you schedule it, and then you have these options. It is already in progress. It was started at this date and it is in progress till now. Last modified, so it's quite long now. And yeah, if you want schedule, you can edit here and see all the schedule dates. It is giving you all the options, when to start, what time to start, which time zone. It is also allowing time zones because we are having different time zones across the globe. And so in which time zone you want, you can select it easily. And obviously the format in which the reports will be generated, CSV data file and spreadsheet, and location, where do you want the report to be sent. Usually we have it in emails for the team, and once they receive it, they can share it internally, right? So you can also, apart from this, you can also generate reports in through SQL as well, using the data views in Automation Studio. So, okay. And here you can see it is having three tabs. Let us try to go inside one by one. Can this way you have a drop down here, and you can browse through all the existing reports, and so you can directly run it from here. And usually you don't need to go inside it. You can directly click the run button here, and yeah.
So, so Mayur, if I understand it correctly, this analytics builder help us to, automate the reports, right?
Yes, yes.
Uh, so, like, for example, if we wanted to, receive for any specific campaign, let's say, for example, if there is an email campaign and we wanted to, with using this analytics builder, we can automate that report. So, like, as per the scheduled date or time, we will be able to receive the copy on our email, right? Like that, it
Yeah, yeah.
happens here.
Yes, yes.
But how we can able to configure that here?
So you mean to say send the report at a particular date and time?
Uh, because you have opened an example which is already there, right? You
Yeah.
haven't created anything
Oh,
newly,
okay.
right? So
Usually,
that.
yeah, yeah. So we one more update here. We
Mhm.
have this org will be decommissioned in 1 or 2 days. It was so Alok told me that it should not be working right now, but I just tried and I logged in, and so newer org it will have more sophisticated, more
Okay.
advanced. And that create button to create a report, it usually comes here in the actions, right?
Okay. Okay. So
Right now,
yeah, in
yeah,
this org, it is not available.
yeah. So in that create, so when you click create that, when you click on that create button, a
Mhm.
pop-up will be generated, which will have all the details, right? Which type
Oh,
of and when do you want to send, right? Everything. Obviously, it will have everything. Otherwise, there's no use of all this, right?
okay. So we will be not using this org later, right?
Yeah. So yesterday night we had a meeting and Alok gave a new org. So this
Okay.
one, he just informed me while we were on call, and so
Mhm.
yeah. In fact, you see in the existing reports, you can see the start date and time and the format and the location, right? So it will start at your designated time, and this is the repeat ones, right? If you want to repeat it hourly, daily. So this is something you were looking at, right? How it will
Okay.
be repeated, right? So
Mhm.
what will be the pattern, right?
Correct.
Correct. And yeah. So whatever is your use case, you need it daily, you need it weekly, monthly. You can have it. You can configure it here, and then yes, it will automatically pick all the data from the backend, generate it in a designated format, and email it. And if you give any FTP, it will upload to FTP as well. Yeah. We also use it for A/B testing, and you can use generate the reports for A/B testing as well. And yeah, yeah. So some people they think that PDF version is not. If you see, it is not here. So this question was raised with the Salesforce as well. They are planning on it, but as of now, it is not there. Go into the other tabs. These are mainly you see create now. Now,
Okay.
these are some of the out of the box available templates, right?
Okay.
And so what it does is it has its own algorithm at the back end. And so let us start with any of it, like um, 21 emails, journey builder email summary. You can click on create. There will be a pop-up, and it will allow you to select the journey name and the range. You can select last 30 days, 15 days, or whatever you want according to your problem statement. And any journey which you want to select, let's select this versions all. So all will consider the every version, previous versions as well. And you have an option here that you can select the running and current version as well, or you can select all the previous versions as well in the all statement. So this or it is not supporting this. It is not giving us any option to select the email or FTP in which we want to email. Let's try to do it here. John, can you give me your email? Can you send me your email?
Uh, on the chat.
Yeah. Okay. So it is saying that report has been successfully emailed. Do you have your Gmail open with you?
I haven't received any email as of now.
Maybe.
Uh, I think it's a GMT time, right? When have you scheduled it? Uh,
Yeah. Maybe in some time you will receive.
Mhm.
Give me 1 minute. Someone is at the door. Huh? No. Similarly, your other templates here, you can create it for them and test it. And yeah. So okay, let us try one more thing. Let us select Indian zone and
I
you
have received an email, Mayur, just now.
um,
The
you
one
are
that you have scheduled, I have received it.
you have got it
Yeah,
in the Excel CSV, right?
yeah, I have received a CSV file on my
Because
email.
yeah, you can share it here. We can open it and see what it is.
Actually, there is no data. I just opened that, but it's a blank. Let
Because
me
uh,
just.
yeah. So the reason is we have to select some journey which is only functional. Then only we'll give some data, right? We'll get some data.
Okay, okay. So, shall I upload the that
So what is it
file or?
having columns or not?
Yeah, it is only displaying the column names like journey name, journey version, like that. Only
Yeah,
the column names displayed in that file, but
yeah,
there is no data.
yeah. Because the reason is you got it right. The
Correct,
journey
correct,
running. It's our internal journey only, and we just now selected it just for dummy.
correct, correct. So there is no data. That's why it's not appearing
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Right. I'm sending one more regarding central data extensions. Okay. So if it has data, definitely you will get it in the CSV. Let us try with a zip file. Huh? Okay, so we have PDF here as well. In this format, we are having PDF.
Can't we able to see the data directly here? Like,
Sometimes it gives the error, web page is not available, but sometimes it's showing it. Right now, it is giving no data. You can see
mm-hmm.
no data was.
It,
Oh, you will be getting a similar kind of PDF only, not uh, no difference, right? So, okay, right now, so I am sending a SQL query on the group, which can be, which you can use for creating a report, and it will give you all the data. It is just using basic SFMC views. So SFMC views, there are some out of the box views, underscore sent, underscore open, underscore click, underscore unsubscribe. All of them, they're used there. If you see, and you can go through that query, and I just now sent it in the group. Basically, you can apply this SQL query in Automation Studio, and then it will generate a file. You can upload that onto FTP using the automation file draw. And so it will now involve all those steps only, which we have done earlier. If you want to do through SQL, this is approach. And basically, it will involve creating queries, and it will indulge all these activities on Automation Studio and FTP file draw. So what SQL will do is it will select the data from the tables from the SFMC views and give it to you in a file format. So it will pick the data from the tables itself. And on those tables, they are known as SFMC views. You have one more tab here, the activity tab. This is nothing but your history and your scheduled activities. You can check directly here by going inside it. And yeah, so it's possible with SQL as well, this analytics. And secondly, this whole dashboard, which is providing the options, these three tabs. So if someone asks you, you can explain all these activities, that all these options are present, and we can use them in this and this so and so way, and we can create shortcuts. We have these categories. We have these filters on the left hand side. I'm just summarizing whatever we have just now discussed. And existing reports can be seen. They can be run from here, deleted from here. You have the dates available. You have the channels available. And Further, you can go inside the report and check it in the check the schedule for it and look at the every detail of it, like whenever it is running, when and how it will stop, what are the parameters for it, and yeah, and these three tabs, they all of them have a different purpose. And further, if you want reports with SQL, you can create SQL queries in Automation Studio and use file drop to upload that file, whatever that file is generated. So the steps will be there will be a data extension or uh, SFMC data view that will be the source.
Uh, Mayur, in that report catalog, there is a report categories, right? So what is that email in bracket 38? So the 38 reports we have created for that email as a channel, or how it, what is that? What is the meaning of that? Like,
1 minute, 1 minute. So if you want to create it using this, these are the four high level steps. If you want to create reports using SQL and but I'm going to your question. Let me close this. Yeah, this category. In
yeah,
email,
yeah, email in bracket 38 is there. Then mobile connect beside that 5 is there in the bracket. So it means there are these many reports created, right, for that channel,
yes, yes,
right? Okay.
yes. So, okay, let us go inside this. I just went inside this. Okay, you can see that there are 36 items here. So this is nothing but you can say it as a out of the box reports available, right? Already available,
Hmm.
right? And you can leverage them. You can create them and you can set up the categories. You can assign to events. Yeah.
But I think there is a mismatch. Like total 36 items are appearing over there, and in the dashboard it is showing 38. So I
Yes.
think the number is not correct. There.
Yes. For mobile push, it is correct. And four. And this mismatch, it might be okay. Let us check. It might be because we have selected some filter. No, we are not. Just deselect these guys.
There might be some issue with that number. Then I think it is not reading correctly. Then.
Yeah. So this that is um, basically the formats available already out of the
Mhm.
box, which you can use. And yeah, so what else regarding this? So wherever, okay, think of try to understand it like analytics builder, or it is also known as reports builder for your information. And wherever you get this word analytics, you make sure that understand that it is related to data only, right? And playing out with the data. And data is again stored in data extensions and SFMC data views, right? And you can use them. Platform will also pick them from inside those and give you the reports.
Mayur, if you have used this analytics builder earlier, so from the accuracy standpoint, the data just provided by this analytics builder reports will be accurate one, or like because I come across like this SFMC tool also integrated with Tableau or other data analytics platform like Power BI or any other Google Analytics thing. So
Yeah.
what compared to all these, like which is better one, like using the in-house option like analytics builder or like using a third party tool?
Yeah, wherever I've used it this one only out of the box, and
Mhm.
it definitely it is accurate and it is faster. And
Okay.
if you integrate with a third party, then there will be challenges with integration. And in
Mhm.
case there is a connection glitch, then definitely it will reflect in the reports. And yeah, it has its own, I mean, integration,
Correct.
on complexities.
Be- Because what I observed here, like analytics builder will only provide data in the form of Excel or a table, right? We don't have any. We cannot see that data in the pictorial format, right? Like the way we are seeing it in the Tableau or a Power BI dashboard. So kind of that thing. So that is why I'm asking. Like,
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
so like basic level metrics we will get out of it.
Yes.
Uh, if we want data on the granular level, then I think it's better to uh, go with the other platform.
Uh, so, okay. Yes, it is possible to integrate third-party analytics tool with SFMC, and so you can extract the data from SFMC and use other external tools for integration like Power BI, Tableau, Looker, right?
Looker Studio. Right.
So all that can be done using, you can use FTP, SFTP. You can use REST or SOAP APIs
Mhm.
for pulling the data. For APIs, again, I've spoken to a loop for the New York,
Correct.
and that you can connect uh, to those APIs, third-party APIs via cloud, and you can build custom dashboards, and you can create a sync of those platforms, and yeah.
We
So
will
you
be
cannot
covering that, right?
directly embed. Yeah, yeah. So once I get the new so you cannot directly embed these tools inside the analytics builder, but yes,
Correct.
an
There is a
integration,
possibility.
yes, integration kind of thing um, with them into with this system is feasible. Yeah,
I think Tableau integration is easiest one because I think it's a Salesforce product. So I
yeah,
think using some plugins or connectors, I think you can make that connection. Yeah, Power BI or the Looker Studio is a different thing.
yeah. Tell me. Anything else? Any other questions? Thank God you told me this topic. I was searching for the topics as well.
I, I think that Einstein is also remaining, right? To cover.
ISI?
Yeah,
Yes,
Einstein. I think.
Einstein, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's again regarding with that analytics, right?
Yeah. So it's personalization basically,
Mhm.
and it is a part of AI, and uh, it will be basically it will allow your marketing team to optimize the campaigns, personalize more, and make smarter decisions using predictive insights. And yeah, yeah, we'll check out that. And
Okay.
so it will be It will personalize your experiences. For example, users in so and so age. It will target the designated audiences and based on their behaviors, their
Correct.
past uh, purchases, their preferences, right? It will take everything into account and then go ahead, right?
Okay. So I think Einstein has their own brain, so I think it can help us to, I think, in the decision making ability like that. Correct?
Yes, 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 yes. So, yes, you can use that. It has its own dashboard, and you can use that anywhere you want. And you can use it inside Journey Builder as well, and you can use it in Content Builder as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it is available on most of the places, and yeah,
Mayur, I have one question apart from this topic. Uh, shall I ask now?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Do we also have a scoring and grading functionality here in SFMC, or uh, it's like it's available there, or no?
In what context you're saying?
It's basically a scoring and grading model like we have in
Inventory,
other
right?
marketing automation tool, like where we can able to add the score to that specific subscriber or a contact based on their behavior or activity. So it's scoring is nothing but a numbers like
Yeah,
how frequently the contacts or subscribers are getting engaged with our content. They will get a scorecard, right? Of that. Like, and grading is the another thing which is
so
ultimately
that
giving.
scoring, yeah, yeah, understood. So that scoring, it is available as a part of two options here.
Okay.
Somewhat in Einstein and somewhat in your custom SQL queries. So Einstein, it is having engagement scoring concept.
Correct. Correct.
Um,
Correct.
so it will predict how each contact will engage in your emails, and so it takes account into four behaviors, right? Uh,
Mhm.
One, click, unsubscribe,
Correct.
and
Correct.
inbox activities. So these four activities it will take for and while segmentation uh, it will consider some of these segments like subscribers or window shoppers, and so dormant dormant means loyalists means you click very often, they click on everything, they're very
Mhm.
optimistic. So yes, you can access it in the data extensions, uh,
Okay.
and you can extension and access it in Journey Builder as decision split node. And yes, it is there. And second thing is your Einstein copy insights. Uh, it is part of the email studio, and we'll check out that as well when we're covering Einstein. And custom scoring is a third thing that is relevant to your question, which is you can use queries on your SFMC views, open, click, unsubscribe, and bounce.
Mhm.
And yeah, you can assign points to those behaviors.
Correct.
Example, 5 points for a click, right? And 2 points for an open email. And you can store those results in a custom data extension and update them via Automation Studio. So yes, it is available, and it is available in two parts, Einstein and custom one that I just now told. Using
Mhm.
SQL queries, custom will involve SQL queries, and it will query your data views and can assign points to every behavior, and then proceed accordingly. And those points, they can be saved in a custom data extension, and you can update them via Automation Studio. So
Okay.
yeah, that's a good question, and yes.